Many people want to stop suffering from belly fat. We know you have tried several products and methods without any result, but this natural drink will help you to lose belly fat and will give you a flat belly. Losing belly fat not only makes you more confident about your appearance, but is also important to prevent various diseases. If left for too long, belly fat can increase the risk of diabetes, hypertension, stroke, and heart attack. Just consume this drink following our instructions in this video. You can get rid of your belly fat soon without starving and suffering. Because this natural drink has incredible fat-burning properties. Before starting the recipe, please tell us your age and leave any questions if you need help in the comment section of this video. We will give you the advice and provide natural recipes for your problem in the next videos. Then click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. We start to make this drink by preparing 1 large of fresh onion. Cut the onion into small pieces. Add the onion to the blender. Then add 1 cup of water. Blend well until obtaining a smooth mixture. Extract the juice into a cup using a strainer. It is believed that taking onion juice on an empty stomach every morning can efficiently help eliminate excess fat from your body, including that from your belly. This is because onion is extremely low in calories but high in soluble viscous fiber, which makes it a powerful weight loss food. The soluble fiber found in onion juice can keep you feeling full for longer and reduce extra calorie intake, thus aiding weight loss. A flavonoid called quercetin found in onion juice is known to help prevent fat accumulation and improve metabolism. However, because of the unpleasant odor, many people shy away from eating onions. To overcome this drawback, we will mix onion juice with some other ingredients. Firstly, we will mix onion juice with lime or lemon. Lime and lemon not only contain vitamin C, but can also help improve the digestive system as well as help liver function. To burn excess belly fat, the key is that your digestive system and liver must be in good health. Lime and lemon are also rich in fiber, fat-free, low in sodium, and low in cholesterol. Consuming the juice can help the body remove toxins and maintain hormonal balance. Your body will feel fresh and fit again and even can prevent various diseases. Cut a half of a lemon and squeeze the juice into the cup of onion water. Finally, mix everything with honey. Honey is great to help promote weight loss. Mixing these 3 ingredients together makes for a potent weight loss formula, one which could turn the tide in your constant struggle to lose belly fat and get a flat belly that you've always wanted. A study was done in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, which stated that honey can reduce a person's appetite. So, not only does it burn belly fat, it reduces your appetite. Overall, you will end up eating less, taking in fewer calories and losing weight by less food consumption. However, if you want to be sure to get all these benefits, then you should choose raw honey. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Your fat-burning drink is now ready to be consumed. The best time to consume it is in the morning on an empty stomach.